Well, hello YouTube, Steve Patton with General Patton Bushcraft back with you, friends. I'm back out in the backyard and I want to show you guys this U.S. Forest Service cot. The U.S. Forest Service camp cot. Stay tuned, friends. Alright, before we open it up, let's get some dimensions. Comes with a nice carrying case. U.S. Forest Service logo on the side. The overall dimensions closed up. 38 inches. By 6 inches. By 7 inches. 38 inches long. 6 inches wide. 7 inches tall. The U.S. Forest Service camp cot. Let's open it up and set it up. Okay, friends, I'm 6'2", 220 pounds. Let's go ahead and lay on it and see how well it holds up. Oh yeah, friends. Plenty of room, 6'2", 220. Oh yeah. I'm going to give you some overall dimensions, but before you leave, please consider subscribing. And do give the video a like, friends. It's free. All right, let's get some dimensions. Okay, friends, it's a whopping 6 feet 7 inches long. It's a nice 30 inches wide overall with the brace on the end, 38. 30 inches wide. That's the same as my Badger bed. You guys stay tuned for the gear close-up of the Bourne brand Badger bed. That's coming up soon, friends. That is the best bedroll in the world. All right, and this thing is 16 inches off the ground, friends. All right, friends, there you have it, the U.S. Forest Service camp cot. I love this thing, super comfortable, get you up off the ground 16 inches, friends. All right, before you leave, please consider subscribing. Give the video a like. I appreciate everything you do for the channel, all your likes, all your views, all your shares, but most importantly, all your comments. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the U.S. Forest Service camp cot. I bought these from Costco. All right. Please, please don't depart from the faith. And if you haven't already, give your life to Christ, friends. Do it today. Don't wait. He died on the cross for you. Loves you very much. All right. And as always, God is good. God is great. I see y'all on the next video. Already got a date.